Ahsen teacher. Welcome to another video. In today's class, we have another subject. This new subject is called Bird's Life Cycle. Yes, we are going to examine the life cycle of a bird from the start till the end and the repeat. And I have flashcards for this class. Yeah, these are the flashcards, and let's count how many flashcards does Ahsen teacher have today. 1, 2, 3, 4 flashcards. Yes, great. So I have 4 flashcards and I am going to explain you the life cycle of a bird. Let's start off with the... What is this? Yes, it's a bird. 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 Good job. This is the, let's say, mommy bird, okay? When mommy bird meets a daddy bird, she makes a... What is this? Nest. Yes. Nest. Nest. Good job. So, after meeting with the daddy bird, mommy bird makes the nest and she puts her... What are these? Eggs, yes. Eggs in the nest, yeah. Eggs. 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 Good job. Let's count how many eggs do we have in this nest. 1, 2, 3. Yes, good job. 3 eggs. After waiting some time, the eggs crack open and comes the baby birds. Yeah, here come the baby birds. Baby birds. Baby birds. Baby birds. And then these baby birds eat and fly and grow up, and then they turn into mommy or daddy birds. Mommy and daddy bird make the nest, put the eggs, eggs crack open and come the baby birds, and baby birds grow up to be a mommy or a daddy bird, and then the cycle goes on. So, I have a song for you about this subject. Let's listen to our The Bird's Life Cycle song.
Bird Life Cycle song.
Mummy bird, cheep, cheep, cheep. Here is mummy bird, cheep, cheep, cheep. Here is mummy bird, cheep, cheep, cheep. Here is daddy bird too. Mummy and daddy bird, cheep, cheep, cheep. Mummy and daddy bird, cheep, cheep, cheep. Mummy and daddy bird, cheep, 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 are making a big nest.
Nest.
Mummy birds in the nest, cheep, cheep, cheep. Mummy birds in the nest, cheep, cheep, cheep. Mummy birds in the nest, cheep, cheep, cheep. Sitting on the eggs. Here are the baby birds, cheep, cheep, cheep. happy baby birds.
1, 2, 3. So that was it for our song as well. As you heard, mommy bird sits on the eggs. She sits on the eggs because she would like to keep the eggs warm. Okay, warm. And then come the baby birds. Okay guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned the life cycle of a bird, and I hope I will see you on the next one. Bye.